Hello, it's Miss Hick, and we're back with thinking about the number 3. So you will find that when you go back to your workspace, you will have 3 colors already ready for you and some counters or loose parts fitting those colors in front. So I have yellow, pink, and green. So I have 1, 2, 3 colors, and I'm going to see if I can sort my beads into these 3 groups when the 3-minute timer is playing. Whoa, look at all those 3s. I cannot believe it. So when you get to do your activity, you're going to have 3 minutes to try to sort into the right group of 3. And if you got them all done, congratulations, teachers and parents and facilitators. If you want an extra bonus for this, you can grab the little tongs that are used a lot in preschool and kindergarten and ask your learners to use their tongs. That's a great little extra bonus for the students that are requiring a little bit more fine motor skills. Boom! All right. So when the timer goes on, you are going to have 3 minutes to sort, oh my goodness, all of the beads or the counters into your 3 groups. Have fun, and I will see you soon.